Now children, today we are going to start with chapter number 12. That is our agriculture and industries. So let's study about the agriculture. So भारत जो है वो आपका एग्रीकल्चर कंट्री है. 2/3 of the Indian population is engaged in agriculture activity. Agriculture provides food for people and raw material for industry. At the time of independence, our food production was not enough. So we used to import food grains from the countries. Now we produce enough food for ourselves and also export for other countries. Big success in the food production was only possible किसके through green revolution. So the use of better seed, fertilizer, better machine, irrigation must have made our country self-reliant in food grains. So now we are using some implements like tractor, harvester. Bharat has two agriculture seasons, Kharif and Rabi. Kharif जो होता है वो आपका arrival of monsoon के साथ आता है. Rice, ज्वार, jute, urad and cotton are the major crop. Rabi कब शुरू होता है? Rain, sand and autumn comes. Wheat, mustard, maize, gram, pulses, sugarcane are some rally crops. Right? Next is rice, wheat and millets are the main food grains of the people. Bharat ranks first in the world in the production of groundnut. So Bharat stands second in the world in the production of rice, jute, sugarcane, oilseed. Wheat is our major crop. Right? So Bharat irrigation जो है वो land है in the biggest problem. Water is needed in plenty to grow crops. Best source of water is rain, but we cannot depend directly on it. Other means of irrigation like canals, dams, tanks, wells, tubewells are also being built. जो क्या provide करते हैं? Water for irrigation. So our government has encouraged the formation of cooperative society to get the people work to live. These cooperative society buy fertilizer seeds in large amount at cheaper rate from manufacturers and sell to farms at low price. एग्रीकल्चर कॉलेजेस बनाए हैं गवर्नमेंट ने. फूड कॉर्पोरेशन ऑफ इंडिया भी लेके आए हैं. एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है जहाँ से आप फूड ग्रेन्स को बाय कर सकते हो डायरेक्टली फ्रॉम द फार्म्स. इंडस्ट्रीज बिफोर इंडिपेंडेंस देयर वाज फ्यू इंडस्ट्रीज इन भारत, बट नाउ भारत हैज अ स्मॉल स्केल एंड नाइटिकल इंडस्ट्री. कन्वर्टिंग रॉ मेटेरियल, इसमें हम क्या करते हैं? रॉ मेटेरियल को किसमें कन्वर्ट करते हैं? प्रोसेस प्रोडक्ट में. स्केल ह्यूमन एफर्ट्स. राइट, वी हैव 3 टाइप्स ऑफ इंडस्ट्री: कॉटेज, स्मॉल स्केल एंड लार्ज इंडस्ट्री. Industries that are carried out at home or in which very few people work are called cottage industry. जैसे clothes, shawls, blankets, making of handicrafts. Right. Next is industry which need more money and people. Then cottage industry. Income small scale industry. Right. Then we have another kind of industry to employ thousands of people and needs lot of money for machines and raw material. Textile mills, iron and steel plant industry. ये car, ships, engines, heavy electrical items ये सब प्रोड्यूस करते. रॉ मटेरियल की बात करें, वी गेट रबर, वुड, लैक फ्रॉम द फॉरेस्ट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ रॉ मटेरियल. फ्रॉम द फार्म्स वी गेट कॉटन, जूट, शुगरकेन. फ्रॉम द क्रस्ट वी गेट लॉट ऑफ मनी विच आर यूज्ड एज रॉ मटेरियल. इससे आप बहुत सारी चीजें प्रोड्यूस कर सकते हैं. मशीन्स, इंडस्ट्रीज रिक्वायर बिग मशीन टू हेल्प देम टू प्रोड्यूस डिफरेंट काइंड्स. Large of money is required to buy these machines. To run this machine, the workers and the technicians and engineers are also needed. So power की बात करें, all industries required power to run the machine. Most machines are run by electricity. Different large-scale industries have been set up at different places in Bharat. We have steel plant in Jamshedpur, Bhilai, Durgapur, Raulegeta. Heavy electrical goods, that is BEL at Bhopal, Kachapuli, Hyderabad. Railway engines are made in Chittaranjan, Varanasi. Ships are built at Visakhapatnam, Mumbai and Kochi. अगर हम शिप की बात करें तो विशाखापट्टनम, मुंबई, कोचिन जैसी जगह पे देखने को मिलते हैं. एरोप्लेन्स की मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कहाँ पे होती है? बेंगलुरु और कान. इन मेनी वेज इंडस्ट्रीज आर ऑफ ग्रेट हेल्प. और ये क्या बनाती है? हमारी लाइफ को कंफर्टेबल. बट दे ऑल्सो पोल्यूट वाटर एंड एयर. मेनी डेवलप्ड countries have adopted cleaner methods of production, whereby using wind power and hydraulics. Right, this is all in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.